In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Airtable, a step-by-step guide that will walk you through the process of managing and finding duplicates in your data tables. Airtable, as you may know, is a powerful tool for organizing and collaborating on projects. Knowing how to find duplicate entries can be incredibly useful whether you're managing contacts, inventory, or any large data set. So let's dive right in and start with logging into Airtable. To begin, head over to Airtable's website. If you're not already on it, open your preferred web browser and type in airtable.com. Once you're on the landing page, you'll notice a sign in button, generally located at the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed. Now input your account credentials to log into your Airtable account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before moving forward. After signing in, you'll be prompted to click on Continue, so make sure you do that to arrive at your dashboard. Once you're logged in and have accessed your dashboard, navigate to the project or base that contains the table where you wish to find duplicate entries. When you've located your desired table, click on it to open it up. Now you'll need to utilize Airtable's extensions feature. On your screen, look for the extensions option and open it by clicking. This is where you'll add the crucial tool for identifying duplicates. After the extensions panel is open, look for the option to add an extension. Click on that to bring up the extension search bar. In this search bar, type dedupe, a handy tool specifically designed for finding duplicates. After typing, hit enter, and you should see dedupe appear in the search results. Click on the add button beside it to integrate this extension into your table. With the dedupe extension now added, it's time to choose the specific fields where you want to identify duplicates. Click on the options that allow you to select these fields. This might include names, emails, or any data points where duplications might occur. Carefully select the fields that are most relevant for your search. Finally, look for options within the dedupe tool to customize how you want duplicates to be identified. For instance, based on exact matches or by similarity. Click on these options to filter your results according to your needs. This feature allows you to fine-tune the process, ensuring that you capture duplicates accurately, whether they are exact replicas or just similar. And that's it. Once you've set everything up, the dedupe extension will sift through your data and display any duplicates it finds. This process not only saves time but also ensures the accuracy and cleanliness of your data, allowing you to focus more on what's important in your project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Airtable tips and tricks.